Security light review video coming your way. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the BNT outdoor solar light. They did send me this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged to you in a very simple retail box. Couple more key features about this light. It's 800 lumens, 8 LED, IP66 rated, so you can use this outside. It's solar powered. It has a 1500 milliamp hour battery built in, so it's rechargeable. It has a 120 degree light angle with a 26-foot light range. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have a really helpful user manual right here walking you through all the steps for installation. Everything looks great, really detailed, really thorough. Nice instructions right here. We have 3 screws for your mounting hardware with 3 wall anchors. We have your mounting stencil sticker right here too, so you don't have to measure anything. You can just use this sticker to get perfect placement. We have another security sticker right here for you, which is a nice add. We also have a nice thank you card right here as well with their customer support information and a QR code in case you ever have any questions. We have a nice hand tool as well with 2 Allen wrench ends on it to be able to use to adjust the security light. Here is the security light. It's shaped like a security camera, which is really cool as well. Just another nice feature by BNT, really well thought out to kind of give you that look of a camera even though it's just a light. We have your solar panel up top. It's pretty decently sized with a power button on the bottom that's going to be easy to press. And then we can look at the bottom right here. It says BNT with the model number. We have an adjustable base where we can use that Allen wrench to position the camera, and we can position the solar panel into the best and most optimized position depending on where we end up mounting this. And then we can see this side too, where if this was a camera, you'd usually have some wires running out here as well. So everything looks great. Now let's go ahead, let's turn off all the studio lights and test it out. All right, guys, so we got all the studio lights powered off right now. I actually have had the light on for 20 seconds, and once the security light shuts off, you can see we now have the red LED indicator light on, but as soon as I move, I'll trigger the motion sensor, and now the light comes on. But again, after 20 seconds of no movement detected, then it will go back to that red light. You can see this is a very bright light. It's hard for me. I can't even look directly at it. It's really lighting up my face, as you can see. So just kind of shine it all around, shine it at the camera. Maybe you can see all the different LEDs in there as well too. So it's really a bright light. So I'm excited to test this outside. So now, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get it installed outside. So we're outside now, guys, with the light installed. Installation was super simple. Just put the 3 screws in the base. So just attach it to whatever structure you want to support the light, and then you're all good to go. It looks really nice out here. Here it is from facing the front. It looks great. You can see how I have the solar panel angled towards the sky to increase the amount of light that hits it for the longest time possible to keep recharging that built-in battery. Now let's go ahead, let's test it out at night. All right, guys, it's nighttime now. The sun has set and the light is working perfectly. As I walked out here, it came on when I was about 10 feet or so within range. And it's really bright. It's lighting up the yard. Just look at how cool it looks up there on the house, shining down. Really nice, really a cool light. And when I came out too, it was dark, and so the red light was on too. Now that the house light went off, let's go ahead, let's see if you can see how bright of a light it is. That's just all the light cast from that light. So you can see my dog Doug up there. He's definitely 20 or 30 feet away up on the deck. So the camera's pretty realistic. I think he might be a little brighter in person than the camera showing. And now good, that light went off too. So you can see the red light. So that's what you'll see. And then, yep, I triggered the motion. So there we go. Really cool, guys. The light is working great. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think about the solar light in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you're interested in this product, don't forget the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support my channel at no additional cost to you. Go ahead, hit that like button as well. Subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and don't want you guys to miss anything. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Follow us on Twitch and join our Discord server as well. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you back here in our next video tomorrow.